all city town clerks, all municipal town clerks and division clerks, Hajat Sharifa Buzeki yena aliwa lonife. Dr. Mvala Idi wa NPA oyotiza kumwandula nonga mukozi ayenga chitufu chona. Baba Gana Ndete Bunange, second Deputy Prime Minister Busoga, Wachitisa Haj Osman Mohamed Noor aide at Kobereku beba baire ngatekateka ekibigi yakinyo Bunange tusamero kubona.
Your Majesty, Baba Isebantu Kyabazinga wa Busoga, Mama Inebantu wa Busoga, the Right Honorable First Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for East African Affairs, Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, Right Honorable Justin Kasule Lumumba, Minister for General Duties in the Office of the Prime Minister, Katukiro wa Busoga, Owekitiibwa Dr. Joseph Muvawala, First Deputy Prime Minister bwa Kyabazinga wa Busoga, Owekitiibwa Professor Dr. Sambira Rubega Muhammad, members of the Busoga cabinet present here today, Balata Baife, Abalangira, Abaliwano, Speaker of Busoga Luchiko, Neba members of Busoga Luchiko, Abakuru, Abebika, Balata Baife, Mukatonda, Abaliwano, resident district commissioners, permanent secretaries here, honorable members of parliament, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to stand before you here today to celebrate a remarkable milestone in the life of our beloved King. As we gather in this beautiful palace at Igenge Hill, we are reminded of the rich history and cultural heritage that binds us together as a kingdom. As we mark this special day, we pay tribute to Your Majesty's wisdom, leadership, and dedication to the welfare of our people. Your selfless service to our kingdom is a shining example to us all, and we are grateful for your guidance, Baba Isebantu. As we celebrate this special day, we pay tribute to Your Majesty's wisdom, leadership, and dedication to the welfare of our people. Your selfless service to our kingdom is an example to us all, and we are grateful for your guidance, Your Majesty. As we celebrate this birthday, we also reflect on the progress our kingdom has made and the challenges we still face. We reaffirm our commitment to working together to build a brighter future of Busoga. Baba Isebantu, allow me in a special way recognize the presence of one of your friends who has traveled all the way from Kenya. My brother, James Odwol, please stand up for recognition. Babo oyo mutabani wo azalibwa na Kabugu, but he's one of the top lawyers in Kenya. Sebo muganda wange James, webale kwenda baba. Thank you for making your way, thank you for your time, and thank you for gracing Baba's birthday. Your Majesty, I stand here again to express my deepest gratitude to our sponsors and friends of Kyabazinga Busoga. Your Majesty, you gave me the responsibility to head partnerships in the kingdom. I want to report to you, Your Majesty, that again, in a special way, I want to thank Honorable Hashim Magogo. Please stand up for recognition. Honorable Magogo, we are grateful for the support that you have given us as an institution and to make some of our activities perform in the way everybody is seeing here today. Your Majesty, I want to thank MTN Uganda. MTN Uganda is one of our leading partners. Please stand up for recognition. Thank you very much. Your Majesty, for the responsibility that I have been given, I want to announce a contribution of Uganda shillings, 10 million shillings, that has come in today to support Busoga United from MultiChoice Uganda. My brother Hassan Saleh, the Managing Director and CEO of MultiChoice Uganda, please stand up for recognition. Thank you for your contribution, and he has announced a life membership for Busoga United. To our sponsors, your contribution is a testament to your commitment to developing our kingdom and its people. Your selfless and kindness will have a lasting impact on our community. To the members of the Busoga Kingdom Club, Busoga United, your dedication and passion are the driving force behind this event. Your tireless efforts have united us tonight, and we celebrate your achievements. Once again, I extend my sincerest appreciation to everyone who has made this event possible. May your generosity and kindness be rewarded abundantly. Your Majesty, I want to thank the organizing committee led by Honorable Bernard Mulengani, who managed to deliver this function. I thank you, Chairman of the committee and the members. I want all of us to rise up with our glasses and toast to His Majesty's good health, happiness, and continued reign. May this special day, Baba Isebantu, be filled with joy, love, and celebration. Can we stand up and raise our glasses and toast? Baba, happy birthday to you. Thank you. Baba, as I end my speech, once again, we take this opportunity to congratulate you upon your appointment as the UNAIDS Goodwill Ambassador to end girl, child, early pregnancies and HIV. Thank you all. Busoga, Okwisania, Naaman. Thank you very much.
Kyabazinga Gabula Nadiope.